Good afternoon, everybody. This is Ali with Rio Mar Travel Organizers. Happy Wednesday. Today, this week, I want to share with you some like insights and behind the scenes of the new collection that is launching tomorrow for my first class insiders. So I finally have the collection ready. Actually, I'll be honest with you, I still have to go to the store, not the store, oh God. I'm leaving the area to take a couple more pictures just so that they can be absolutely perfect. But yeah, that's it. I already sent the email to my first class insiders letting them know that the collection will be launched tomorrow and to look out for that link and that little special gift that they're gonna get from me for the first weekend of the collection being launched. So I wanted to come here and kind of share with you a little bit of the inspiration behind the scenes, of why this collection. So the inspiration really started when I found a specific type of fabric. All of my fabrics I use are waterproof. So I always make sure that either the lining is waterproof or the outside and the lining. That is one of the things that I always focus. And so I had this fabric, really beautiful pink color. And then I went to the store and I found this other fabric. It looks like sea glass. I know some people say, well, it looks like stained glass. No, it looks just like sea glass. And I had to get it. And I was actually in the process of creating another collection and I stopped it altogether. That's, when the artist in me hit. And it was like, nope, I am going to stop this and I'm going to make this collection with this type of fabric. And I'll be honest with you, usually I take about, 2 months to create a collection. Well, this one was done in a month. So that's why I know there's still few things that I would like to be better, but I'm still gonna launch it tomorrow. It's ready to go. And so if you've seen some of the sneak peeks, you can tell that there's a lot of like soft pink and that navy blue, and that navy blue and soft pink color combination is so beautiful. And with this fabric, it kind of like makes it stand out even more. So sea glass on its own is beautiful, right? It's a beautiful piece of glass that has been tossed around in the ocean for many years, and it comes out absolutely gorgeous. And when you combine different pieces of sea glass, it just makes such a beautiful artwork, and you can use it for decorations, and people use it for all kinds of things, right? And that's how I feel about this collection that I'm getting ready to launch. You can get one pouch by itself and it will do the job. It's a practical pouch. It will help you pack your things. Things will be organized. You'll be able to find them right away. But when you get two or three together, they complement each other. And so that's the whole purpose of this sea glass collection. And I almost want to show you some, but then it's like, it's not fair for the first class insiders, because they actually got a little sneak peek today in their email. And so I always want to treat my first class insiders, they're my VIPs. I always want to give them the first look and the better deals. So if you want to be one, you're more than welcome to join. I'll leave the link here so that you can become a first class insider. And you still have time. You can still sign up and you'll get the link tomorrow with the collection when it goes when I launch it, when it goes live. But they were able to see 3 of the products. Now this collection, it's a 10-piece collection, and like I said, they complement each other, and you'll have the option to get just one piece or a set of 2 or a set of 3. And there's actually one piece that is 3 pieces in one. And it's perfect to store like of course, your makeup and toiletry size, I mean travel size toiletries. um, as well as there's another one for like your cables, your electronics, you know, your portable chargers, things like that. And then there's another one in the same set where you can bring your toiletries that are not exactly travel size, right? That they're like the full size shampoo or something, lotion or something like that, that you need to bring with you. And again, these are not just for traveling, you know, on a plane, but on road trips, spending the night at a friend's house, you know, an overnight stay, whatever. Or even simply to keep them around the house. I actually have some of these pouches that I made, and I keep them around the house. That's where I keep my makeup all the time. I keep one in my purse, and some of my tools for some arts and craft, and some tools that I use for the business. I also keep them in those pouches because they're square, they're perfect size, and you know, a lot of things fit in there, and you will absolutely love it. So I will make sure to leave the link down here in the video for early access, and just be on the lookout. Now, I may not post any pictures of the collection tomorrow, but definitely by Friday. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. And I will see you next week. Bye.